आता खबर विस्तारान. कर्नाटकाक बहुमत आशिल्ल्यान सरकार स्थापीत करपाक थंयच्या राज्यपालान परवानगी दिल्या. या फाटभुंयेर गोंयांत काँग्रेसीक सरकार स्थापीत करपाक दिवचे म्हण मागणी घेवन काँग्रेसीचे 13 आमदार आनी कार्यकर्ते राजभवनार पावले. काँग्रेसीचे 3 आमदार ह्या परेडीत नाशिल्ले. 2 आमदार विदेशात गेल्यात, जाल्यार काणकोणच्या आमदाराची भलायकी बरी ना. कर्नाटकात ज्या रितीन थाराव घेतला तसो गोंयांतय राज्यपालान घेवचो म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीची आसा. RDX गोवा खातीर दोनापावलाच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
We have represented our grievances. We are told that the rights of ours was denied on the 12th of March 2017. So we have requested her to rectify that mistake. As per the line of Karnataka governor, she has to recall the government and she has to extend an invitation to the Congress party to form the government, being a single largest party. So she has told that she will go through the memorandum and she will take a call.
But any time frame is given?
No, for this we cannot fix a time frame like that. It is a governor's. We also know about it. It's a constitutional authority. She will definitely. I am hope she will rectify her mistake.
We have seen only 13 MLAs.
See, if someone has a faith on the democracy, if someone has a faith on the constitution, definitely good things will happen to the Goa also.
We have seen only 13 MLAs coming to the.
No, 13 MLAs means our very good friend Ishdor is admitted in the hospital. Then another 2 MLAs are out of the country. So suddenly yesterday we have taken a stand and we have rushed to the Raj Bhavan.
पाणी मिळायला नाही आणि असे असताना सुद्धा तुम्ही सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी म्हणून ज्यांना थंय भाजपाक चान्स दितात आनी हांगा सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी आहा तर आमकां चान्स दितात.
But don't you think it's a contradiction, your thing in your stand, Karnataka stand and Goa stand, contradiction?
तेच म्हणलं न्ही हांव त्याच आधाराचेर कित्याक त्या गव्हर्नरान जे कर्नाटकाच्या गव्हर्नरान ज्या पद्दतीन सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी म्हणून जर तांकां चान्स दिल्लो आसा जाल्यार आमचेर अन्याय जाल्लो आसा आनी पयलीं म्हणून आमचेर आमकां चान्स दिवचो म्हणून एटली आतां तरी दिवचे आमी.
Do you agree it's a contradiction?
तुम्ही आणि कोण पार्टी बरोबर
You agree it's a contradiction?
गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपा खातीर तुम्ही वेगळ्या पार्टी कडेन उलयला
आमकां आमी मेजॉरिटी प्रूव करपाक आमकां चान्स दिवचो मेजॉरिटी प्रूव दाखयता.
प्रताप सिंग राणे spoke, then Digambar Kamath spoke, Ramakant Khalap also has spoken, Alex Reznad also has spoken.
Whether she explained the situation at that time?
She said she is studying the memorandum that we have given, but we have impressed upon her forcefully that injustice was done to us, but now the Karnataka counterpart...
She said only single line or anything else she told?
No, she did not utter a word. She kept quiet. She said we want to study the... Okay. आशिल्ले आमकां फक्त 3 जाय आशिल्ले. आमचे कडेन ऑप्शन खूब आशिल्ली. बीजेपीचो एकूय आमदार फोड नासता आमी सरकार करपाक शकताले. 2 रिजनल पार्टी आशिल्ल्यो, 1 नॅशनल पार्टीचो आमदार आशिल्लो आनी 2 इंडिपेंडंट आशिल्ले. आमचे कडेन ऑप्शनां खूब आशिल्ली. तरी आसतना ह्या राज्यपालान आमचेर अन्याय केला आनी तिका सांगलें देशभर तुजी नांव जातलें कारण तुजी चूक तूं स्विकार आनी आमकां एक संदी दिया.
But now, is there a precedent to throw a government down that is already formed, taken oath and all that?
Where is the government? There is no government in Goa. You feel there is a government in Goa? Last 3 months there have not been cabinet meeting, a single cabinet meeting. So there is no government. Some bureaucrats are running the government. Government कांयच ना. Cabinet meeting जायना has a अर्थ government चलना.